How to text people or send messages on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can text or send messages on TikTok app. Now, the first thing you want to note is that your age must be 16 plus on the app to be able to text. Now, you need to be 13 plus to be on the app, but you need to be 16 plus to be able to text or send direct messages. So make sure your account is set to 16 plus. Now, next thing is, how do you send messages? Now, if you open up the app, and here at the bottom of the screen, you can find the inbox icon or chat icon. Now, if you want to text a certain profile, then you can just open up the profile and then you'll get the message option right here, and you can open it and you can text him from here. However, if the person has set to private, and if they have said that they don't want to receive the text, then you will not be able to text them whatsoever. Now, if you head into the profile and tap on the set three-line icon at the top right corner, and then head into settings and privacy, and then head into privacy here, and if you scroll down below, you'll find the option direct messages. Now, if they have set this direct messages to no one, then you won't be able to text them, but if not, you'll be able to text by heading to the profile and you'll get the text icon or message icon. Now, the other way is you can head to your inbox, and here you'll find all your friends chat list here, and you can just open one up and then you can chat from here. So this is the other way you can text or send messages on TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.